Well, joining us, Nivedita Banerjee, co-founder Samaj Pragati Sahyog and the director of Women's Empowerment, Social Enterprise and Design, and the founder and CEO of the Kumbaya Producer Company. Thanks so much for being with us. You're one of Habba's impact partners yourself. Tell us about Kumbaya, your work with women in rural MP. How did that start?
Well, I started Samaj Pragati Sahyog with 10 of my friends in rural Madhya Pradesh, and we were working on watershed and agriculture. And during that time, I realized that the participation of women was impossible because all that they were doing was manual labor. They were disinherited from the land that they made productive. And at that point, I realized that if there is anything that should be done, it should be to enable women to have a skill of their own from which they could earn and have independence. So that is how Kumbaya started actually, while building an earthen dam with women who wanted to learn how to stitch and use a skill to earn their living.
निवेदिता जी, मुझे पढ़ के बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वहीं पे गांव में काम भी करती हैं, वहीं पे रहती भी हैं. What was the response when you began so many years ago? Was it difficult finding a market? Did you have to convince people of the quality?
So initially it was impossible because, we were working in an area where traditionally stitching was done by men. So in the first few years, we saw incredible success. I mean, because we were doing patchwork, and that was something at that time, patchwork, machine stitch patchwork or hand patchwork was not very common. But because it was women doing stitching on sewing machines, which was considered to be a male occupation, our center was burned down for a harmless activity like stitching. So, that was the primary challenge, how to make people understand that women needed a separate space to have their capacities recognized, So the other challenge, as you very rightly pointed out, was quality. That people were used to making things that were usable art, which were functional or unique. And what we were trying to do was to create something for the urban market where you needed perfect identical pieces. So that is where I learned how to be a designer, because, it was a challenge to come up with something that could be impeccably executed in a rural area with semi-skilled women for an urban market at a perfect price. So that's how we did it. We trained people from scratch on how to stitch.
What has the impact of the lockdown been in the community that you work with?
Well, in the larger community, it's been terrible actually, because in all sides, everything has. People have migrated back, and on their journeys, while coming back, they have seen a lot of violence. They have come back to no opportunities. And in the case of my artisans, in the case of Kumbaya Producer Company Limited, we did not have money to pay wages. So a lot of my producers were sitting at home because they couldn't travel all the distance. I work in a rural area where people come in buses or walking through forests, and sometimes they take over an hour to travel. So many of my producers got left out. Because of the pandemic. They're still left out. We have not been able to help them. Yet, on the other hand, because of my organization's work on women's institutions, we have been able to provide a lot of relief to, almost 20,000 people in our federations, women federations, who live in semi-urban and urban areas who were the hardest hit by the pandemic.
निवेदिता जी, थैंक यू सो मच. और आपकी पूरी जर्नी सुनकर ये पता लगा कितना चुनौतीपूर्ण आपका और संघर्ष भरा ये सफर रहा है. हौसला बनाए रखिए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए.
बहुत धन्यवाद.